If you want to unlink your Xbox account from Epic Games, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest step-by-step method to disconnect your Xbox account from Epic Games using your browser, and I'll also explain the important warning you need to know before you confirm it. This is useful if you're switching accounts, troubleshooting login issues, or just want to remove the connection between Xbox and Epic Games for good. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to the Epic Games website. From there, sign in to the Epic Games account that is currently linked to your Xbox account. Make sure you're logging into the correct account, because the unlink action will affect that specific Epic account connection. Once you're signed in, go to your account settings. You can usually find this by clicking your profile icon and selecting Account. Inside the account menu, look for Linked Accounts. This is where Epic Games shows all the external platforms connected to your account, including Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo, and others. Now find the Xbox section. You should see a Remove button next to it. Click Remove to begin the unlink process. Epic Games will show a confirmation message, and this part is important, so read it carefully. Before you can continue, you'll need to check the boxes confirming that you understand what happens when you unlink the account. This usually means your progress and purchases will no longer sync between Xbox and Epic Games, so make sure you really want to proceed. If you use Xbox to access Fortnite or other Epic connected games, keep in mind that unlinking can affect how your progress, items, and account access behave across platforms. After you've reviewed the warning and checked the required boxes, click Unlink to finish the process. Once you confirm, Epic Games will disconnect your Xbox account from your Epic account. At that point, the link is removed and the accounts will no longer be connected going forward. If you ever need to reconnect it later, you can usually do that from the same linked account section, but make sure you understand the rules before doing it again. So that's it. You've now unlinked your Xbox account from Epic Games. If this video saved you time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.